Brimfield Township is home to about 10,000 people, but the police department's Facebook page has more than 175,000 fans because of outspoken police chief David Oliver. Yesterday, township trustees suspended him for 2 weeks. John Dalzell is with the township and says there are few details that he is permitted to release.
It's a personnel issue. There is no investigation going on at this point.
I talked with Township Attorney Greg Beck, who says a police department employee filed a complaint. It was investigated, and during the investigation, it was found to be gender-based. Oliver is not shying away from the topic. He took to Facebook today to say that he violated administrative policy. He takes responsibility, he accepts the punishment, and apologizes.
I mean, he's the pillar of our community, so I mean, he does a lot of good for a lot of people, so you don't expect that.
The only thing I've ever known is he speaks his mind, same as anyone else. I've never heard him offend anybody. The terms he uses, to me, are appropriate.
Both the attorney and Dalzell are quick to point out that this is not a criminal matter. Instead, a department policy that was violated.
I'm actually a very big fan of David Oliver. I think he stands for integrity. I think he stands for what we all would want in a leader in our township, and I'm very proud of David Oliver.